Hey guys, welcome to Sneha's Craft. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this ring platter. There will be two parts video for this. This is part 1. The link for part 2 is available in the description down below. Or you can click I button over here.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change.
Start by cutting square U shape on the cardboard. Glue golden paper strip on inner side of U shape. For now, glue only to this part. Apply glue on the edge as shown and stick the fabric to the cardboard to make curtains. Create pleats as shown while sticking the fabric. The fabric that I am using is net fabric. The theme for this ring platter is red and gold, so everything I will be using will be of red and gold color. Take 2 pieces of red fabric and 2 pieces of gold fabric. The height of the fabric must be little more than the height of the inner U shape. Then string red and gold pearls. Make 2 strands and stick it in the middle. Then string some teardrop beads and put tassel at the end and stick it in the middle. I made 3 sets of this. Then take one more square U-shaped cut cardboard and glue golden paper same as the previous U-shaped cardboard. Apply glue on one side, glue the previous U-shape to this U-shape. Put some masking tape on sides and let it dry. After drying, put some glue on the inner side of U-shape and stick golden paper strip as shown. Make cuts on the folds on both sides and glue the flap. Skip sticking golden paper at the bottom. You will not see the paper after sticking U-shape to the ring platter base. Repeat the same to the other inner side of the U-shape. Then stick golden paper on outer side of the U-shape as shown. Cut long strip of golden paper, stick it to the sides, make cuts on the folds on both sides and glue the flap. Apply glue on one side and stick cut out U-shaped pattern paper. Repeat the same to other side. This is handmade paper. Then take one red fabric, one gold fabric and pearl string and tie them together with a wire as shown. I know I missed the string, but I tied it later. Repeat the same on other side. Then cover the wire by tying red ribbon around it so it looks as if the curtains is tied with the ribbon. Keep that aside and let's move to the heart. Cut 2 hearts out of red foam sheet. Then cut 2 hearts out of gold foam sheet. These hearts are smaller than the red hearts. Then apply glue and stick 2 red hearts together. Stick non-glitter side of foam sheet hearts together and make one heart with glitter on both sides. Then stick one gold heart on one side of the red heart, another gold heart on the other side of the red heart. Then make hole on the heart, pass jump ring through the hole and close it, or you can put eye pin in between 2 hearts before sticking them together. Then string some teardrop beads and attach jump ring at the end. Keep the excess thread. Then attach the heart to the string by passing one jump ring through the other. Then cut heart shape out of cardboard and attach piece of cardboard to the bottom to make a stand. Apply golden paper on this area. Apply hot glue in the middle and glue the thread to it. Apply glue on one side of the heart cutout and glue another heart cutout to it. Make sure to glue golden paper on this cutout too. Then glue golden paper strips on inner sides. Cut slits on the strips and glue flaps to the heart. Repeat the same on other side. Then stick golden paper strips on outer sides. Cut the slits as shown and stick the flap. Then apply glue on one side and stick golden paper heart cutout. I glued golden paper on this side and not red paper because I will stick golden ribbon on it and I don't want red to be seen through the ribbon. Apply glue on other side and glue red pattern paper to the heart. Even though the ribbon that I've used is thick, I didn't want it to take chance. That's it for this video. Rest will be in the other part, so do check it out. Link will be in the description. Enjoy!